Cordova Palms here in St. Augustine, St. Johns County. We're here today looking at the Dream Finders homes. We're going to be looking at the Vilano floor plan, which actually comes in 4 different elevations, 4 different modifications. There's 13 flexible floor plans you can choose from here. And they also have a Dream Finders series, a Dream series, which actually starts out only in the low 300s. And these floor plans go from 1,600 square feet to 2,500 square feet. Also, this is a master plan community with a beach resort style pool, as well as a dog park playground area. There's all kinds of accessibility, as well as we are very close to the highway, which is Phillips Highway, and you're just minutes away from the main shopping areas and centers, as well as the historic downtown area of St. Augustine. So today we're going to be looking at the Vilano floor plan. Let's go. This is definitely a sought after community because not only do you have great amenities, beach entry, pool, dog park, playground areas, this is definitely a resort style living area, master plan community. However, they're currently offering a financing deal at as low as 3.99 by the end of October. If you can come out here and take a look at these homes, we're happy to help you guys out, show you the community, show you the model homes. You can't get lower than that at 3.99 interest rate in this. Homes actually are built on 43 and 53 foot lots. Their 43 foot lots actually are the Dream series, which start as low as $329,000. I mean, you can't get better than that. And they're going to be between 1,600 square feet all the way to 2,500 square feet. So this is a Vilano one, and they only have 3 of these inventory homes available right now in their new phase.